Hey cuties, welcome or welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with the feet whitening pedicure procedure that will not really whiten and brighten your skin but will also enhance your feet beauty by making it soft and supple. It removes the tan from your feet and also the dead skin cells which give your feet an amazing treatment. So let's start the video. Our first step is cutting your nails. After this, I will take some warm water in a bucket and add some rose petals, and I'll add 2 spoons of lemon juice. I'll squeeze 1 lemon into it. Then I will add 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of salt, and in the end 2 teaspoons of any shampoo that you like it. Now dip your feet into this water and keep it for 10 minutes. This will help you to clean your feet. After this, wipe your feet with towel. Now a next step is to make a foot scrub. For this, firstly I'll need 2 spoons of baking soda and I squeeze half lemon into it and mix it really well. Now take a toothbrush, dip it into this mixture, and then you have to clean your nails properly. Apply it wherever you have dead skin. I will also apply on my heels, and this will help me to remove all the dead skin from my heel. After this, apply any thick cream on your nails. Then you have to dip it again. It is the same water for 5 minutes. This will make your dead skin very soft, and then with the help of nail cutter remove all the dead skin. Remove it exactly in the way like me. This will give your nails a proper finishing. After this you have to apply a curd, that is dahi, applied all over your feet. Dahi is a natural cleanser and also is really beneficial to removal of suntan. Curd also make your skin very soft and supple. Keep it for 15 minutes and then wash it your feet with water. Can you see the difference, guys? Now in the end, I'll apply moisturizer or any thick cream all over my feet, especially on my heels. Moisturizer is very beneficial. It will make your skin soft. You can also apply a nail paint to your feet, and that's it. You can clearly difference in my feet. Due to this pedicure is very effective and simple at home. Guys, if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.